Pocket Edition just doesn't cut it anymore. What? Unless you want Minecoin shoved into your retinas. Get out of here with that Minecraft Corporate Edition nonsense. We want what the real gamers are playing. That's right, we're going to be installing Minecraft Java Edition on this fire hazard of an iPhone. Let's go ahead and do this. So to begin with, it is not 3.17. So to begin with, this is made possible with Pojov Launcher for iOS, made by Crystal Oneadev or Crystal Indev. Let's look at the requirements. So we need iOS 14 or later. Check. On an iPhone 6s and later. Check. So we're kind of edging by what the system requirements here, but it's gonna be fine. It'll be perfectly okay. This thing totally won't catch fire with its third-party $10 eBay battery. So anyway, let's begin. We have to sideload this. It's not in the App Store for obvious reasons, so we're gonna use Troll Store for it. And luckily, I already have Troll Store on here because I did this as part of putting Windows 8 on this stupid thing. So this might actually be pretty simple to install. We just have to download the IPA and install it with Troll Store. So let's do it. Man, I can't wait to play Minecraft at hopefully more than 30 frames per second, but we'll see. Where's the IPA? There it is. That's the one. I didn't read any of that. Download. Boop. Open in Troll Store. Install. Well, there it is. Open? Oh, okay. Well, here we are in Pojov Launcher. Or is it Pojov Launcher? I don't know. Someone tell me. Wow, that was fast. The easy part's over. We've got it installed. Now we just got to figure out how to use this and install Minecraft. I hope to get the latest version of Minecraft running on here, and I think that'll be probably just fine. Let's add my account really quick. I'm going to actually sign into Microsoft with this. I hope this thing doesn't steal my Microsoft account. About every 20 minutes to an hour, there's a hit on my account that someone from various places in the world has tried to log in unsuccessfully. So that's cool. All right, yo, here we are. We're signed in. Woo! Don't try to friend me on anything. Let's explore the app a little bit before we actually get this stuff set up, because I'm sure there's some things I probably need to know. I'm glad that JIT is enabled. That's great. Let's look at the settings. I'm sure Minecraft will run just fine with 502 megabytes. That's cool. So we got to actually download it now. Can I just do this? Specify that one? Is that it? Oh, well, okay, play. Oh, it's downloading. I don't know why I'm that surprised. Usually stuff just doesn't work on this channel. I think it just crashed. Nope, it didn't. It's giving me an error instead. I don't know if that's better or worse. Minecraft 1.214 requires Java 21 in order to run. Okay, how the hell do I get that? Settings, Java tweaks. Can I use Java 17? Maybe Java 17's enough. It was not enough. Well, we might have to figure out how to get Java 21 on here because I want the latest version of Minecraft. Okay, I apparently just have an old version of this, so goodbye. Let's find the newest and greatest one. It says to go to the Actions tab if I want a different one. We're going to download a nightly one, which may contain game-breaking bugs. That's really cool. Actions tab, go. There we go. Oh, no, do not do that. Where do I download it? Okay, I don't think it's in this one. What about this one? But where is it? Oh, okay. Well, this one says Troll Store, so I want to tap this one. Why? What? How download? Please? If I ask nicely? What if I do it this way? Download button where? It's there on the PC version. Okay, maybe I need to force this to request the desktop website. Why is it not there? Okay, guess what I have? Off-brand lightning to USB camera adapter. This thing was like $7. Let's plug it in. What is that? This thing is making a really high-pitched noise. Can you hear this? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, plugging it in. The sound has gone away or has reached the threshold of my hearing. All right, let's plug in our USB that I put the stuff on. Here it is. Boom. We've got two files. I downloaded the Troll Store one and the regular one because I don't know the difference and I don't want to chance anything. Let's just do the regular one first. Do it. Okay, I guess it might work. Did I just see that said it was sandboxed? That'll probably be fine. We'll worry about that later. Well, it's done. Let's launch it. This device has a limited amount of memory available. Okay, that might be a problem. Wait, is it checking for JIT? Hopefully it finds JIT. Let's look at the settings. Java tweaks, runtimes, Java 21. There we go. Memory allocation 502. We'll worry about that later. All right, latest release. Well, JIT's still checking. Will it find it with the Troll Store version? I kind of want JIT. I feel like we need that. Oh, yeah, this one says it can run unsandboxed. Yeah, I like this one better. It's unrestricted. Install. JIT has been enabled. Okay, so now we have the right version. Well, I guess this is the moment of truth. Can I play Minecraft Java Edition on my iPhone? Oh, it failed. Why did it fail? Squirt.org. That's the one that it stopped on. We don't need any squirting, just I want to play it. Yeah, I don't think it has enough RAM to download it. Let's give it more. I think that helped. It didn't. More? I don't think that's helping. Lois, this isn't working how I expected.
Peter, shut up.
Give more memory. 1.64 exabytes per second. Did you see that? We get lucky? No, we will not get lucky. Fuck you, I think. Auto RAM? Oh, we can turn auto RAM on. Oh, okay. I think that was the problem. Cool. Now it's loading. Okay, we're gonna play Minecraft now. Oh! Whoa! This just looks like Pocket Edition with a terrible UI so far. Oh, there we go. A skeleton popped out. Why is it dark and like creepy looking? Is this because of Halloween or was there like a scary update? I haven't been like watching the Minecraft updates. I guess we could just play it. Do we have sound? Oh, we got sound. This is gonna be great. What should we name this? iPhone world. And we're gonna build a giant iPhone. Oh, I didn't get a chance to change any. I guess we're playing survival. It's been a good 30 seconds and we're still on 0%. All right, well, we might be waiting a while for this. And we're in. How's the performance gonna be? Oh my god, this thing is on fire. You know what? This isn't much worse than Pocket Edition. That is actually insanely cool. What does this button do? Okay, that's the jump button. The black square is officially... Hello? I'm playing the game. Get out of here. There. Okay, starting to see why this is running so well. Yeah, the render distance is incredibly short. Oh, god damn it. Oh no. Okay, well, yep. Let's respawn. Let's look at some settings. Let's make this thing feel pain. All right. These are the default settings. Render distance 2 chunks. Can we at least get like 8? Hello, world. Where did you go? Let's look at the debug menu. Oh god. There's so much on the screen. Okay, so I could see we've allocated how much RAM? I can't see it through the mouse button, but that looks like 800 and something. That's great. We're getting a solid 26 to 33 FPS. I wonder if the world can keep up with me walking. Oh, it cannot. No, get away from me. No, stop. I don't know how to... How do I attack? Okay, I can't see anything. There's too much text on the screen. Oh. I spawned next to a skeleton? What the hell? How do you attack? Why is it on the D-pad? Let's give myself a little bit of a better experience here. Stand. Keyboard and mouse. We got the re plugged into this thing. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's taken a few tries for this, but... Oh, look at that. I don't know what I did to make it work, but it's working now. You go to settings, I go to UI debugging settings, and turn on unlock iPad OS UI for some reason. Minecraft PC on a phone. Let's do something on Minecraft. This is just a Minecraft Let's Play now. Hello, pig. You will give me sustenance. Why am I walking? What? Stop walking. No. No. Finally. Is this just 2 villager houses? It's the smallest village I think I've ever seen. I'm stealing your wheat. All right, well, I don't really know what to do now that this is working. On a screen this small, 30 FPS doesn't look that... Okay, now it's gonna start stuttering. It's good. I have altered the setup. Pray I don't alter it any further. Yeah, so my phone's just on the table now. Hello, Mr. Chicken. How does that make you feel? Oh, I have salmonella. I guess I did say I was going to build a giant iPhone, so I might as well just do that. Oh, now I can't see anything. This screen is terrible from the angle I'm viewing it in. It is a third-party screen. This used to be a white iPhone. Here's my view of playing Minecraft. Yeah, it looks great. Oh no. I cannot fight these things. I cannot see anything. Yeah, I think I escaped. Nope, I did not. There are like 7 more of them. I hope I don't just walk off a cliff somewhere. Is this a tree? Okay, good. Run away. Oh, no. Okay. What? Okay, I don't think the world generation can keep up. Oh, now we're back here. Oh, and I've lost all my stuff. Here's a neat little trick. You ever want cheats? Open to LAN world. Oh, wow. Look at me. I have cheats now. Time, set, day, game mode, creative. Okay, time to build a giant phone. All right, this little thing is supposed to be the earpiece. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't make it an odd number of blocks, so, the home button's gonna go, like, off to the side. There we go. Beautiful. Totally in phone. I am everyone's worst opponent in that high-pixel building game that I forgot the name of. Obligatory tech YouTuber performance review of this game. About 30 to 60 FPS. Kind of okay. ×2 Apple processor. That's interesting. Google Incorporated. It can tell me whatever it wants. Well, I guess it's possible to run Minecraft Java Edition on an iPhone. Who would have thought? Anyway, this thing is about 1,000,000 degrees and is burning my hand. And I think I would like to unplug it now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And thank you for watching. I just realized something incredibly silly. You can play it vertically. Alright, goodbye.